Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make different dishes that came from Region 7, Region 11, and Mindanao region. Region 7 or Central Visayas lies at the center of the Philippines archipelago between the islands of Luzon and Mindanao. Central Visayas is composed of Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. Central Visayas is the second smallest region in the Philippines with a total land area of 14,923 square kilometers. The terrain is characterized by highlands with narrow coastal strips of arable land. Cebu is considered as the oldest city in the Philippines, and it is the center of the trade, commerce, and tourism in Visayas. For today, I'd like to share with you guys a vegetable dish known as lauoy. It is very popular in the Visayas and Mindanao region in the Philippines, particularly in Cebu. It also goes by the name Utan Bisaya. It is a local favorite because of its easy preparation and delicious taste. You can get most of the ingredients for cheap or almost free if you grow vegetables in your backyard. Here are the ingredients that we need: ginger, fish sauce, and tomato, lemongrass and red onion, okra, sweet potato and eggplant, pechay and alugbati o malabar spinach, saluyot, talbos ng kamote, and green chili, rice water, first, add some water in your cooking pot and add your lemongrass, ginger, tomato, and onions and let it boil. Once it is boiling, add your sweet potato. When your sweet potato is fork tender, you can now add your okra. After several minutes, add your fish sauce and green leafy vegetables and cook for 2 minutes. Lastly, add your eggplant and green chili. And we're done! Enjoy your lauoy or Utan Bisaya! Mindanao region. Mindanao is the second largest island in the Philippines after Luzon and 7th most populous island in the world, located in the southern region of the archipelago. Mindanao is divided into 6 administrative regions, which are the Zamboanga Peninsula, Northern Mindanao, the Caraga region, the Davao region, Sacsayhuaman, and the autonomous region of Bangsamoro. For our main course, we will be cooking pastil. If Luzon has binalot, then Mindanao has this, pastil. Chicken pastil is a Filipino breakfast recipe popular in Mindanao, prepared with steamed rice topped with shredded chicken. Pastil, also known as patil, patel, patir, o pater in Maranao, and paster in Iranon, is a popular breakfast item in the Mindanao region. A simple dish that consists of 2 major elements, which is first is the steamed rice, and the other which is the kagikit or the sauteed and soy-seasoned shredded chicken or beef. Both of these elements are packed together like Japanese onigiri, but instead of a seaweed, this is placed on a banana leaf that may look like a stick suman for those unfamiliar. And here are the ingredients: red onion, turmeric powder, garlic and soy sauce, white rice, glutinous rice, and banana leaf. Chicken. And now let's begin on cooking our pastil. First, prepare our rice or cook your rice as you usually do. Next, prepare your kagikit. In a pan, add a bit of oil, then brown chicken on all sides. Add some water, then bring it to a boil. Cover your pan, then simmer it in a low heat and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until chicken can be flaked easily. Remove the chicken from the pan and reserve the liquid. Flake the chicken, then set it aside. In a clean pan, sauté onion and garlic, cooked until onions are soft. Add your shredded chicken and turmeric. Stir fry for a minute. Add some fresh ground black pepper and soy sauce. Add a bit of reserved liquid to give it some moisture. For each serving, prepare a banana leaf on a work surface and add rice on top and shape it as a log. Top it with kagikit. Roll the banana leaf and seal the sides. And we're done. You can add cucumber slice, tomatoes, and egg. Enjoy your pastil!
Freshest seafood you can have in the country. In Davao City, you'll find plenty of seafood dishes that will certainly whet your appetite, including the Imbaw or tinolang halaan. This well-known clam soup may be simple but it surely has some clean and refreshing taste. Imbaw is the Vawenya term for clams or halaan. The term tinola refers to a vast group of hearty Filipino soups prepared with a flavorful broth infused with garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. Tinola soups can incorporate various cuts of meat and seafood ingredients which are usually cooked alongside green papaya or sayote and chili pepper or malunggay leaves. Not much is known about the history and origin of tinola, but nowadays they represent an irreplaceable part of traditional Filipino cuisine.
Here are the ingredients that we need: fish sauce, chili leaves and red onion, clams or halaan or imbaw, Sprite, water, and ginger, and spring onion. Saute your onion and ginger. Add your ground black pepper and fish sauce. Add your Sprite and water and clams. Once your clams are starting to open, you can now add your chili leaves and spring onion. And we're done. Enjoy your imbaw.